indaba ezitha macingwane uphuma macingwane indaba ezitha ama foreigners ama Somalia akwaNongoma njoba namhlanje kungumsombuluko ngolwesithathu indaba ezitha ama Somalia akwaNongoma ayehlangene eNewcastle ahlanganisa imali engango 1 million leyo mali isesikhwameni indaba ezitha yafika kwaNongoma ngolwesihlanu ngelanga mina ngangizofika ngalo kwaNongoma yafika ngolwesihlanu kunomfana wakwaNtshangase osebenza esitolo kuthiwa Easy okuyena ohlanganisa inkabi indaba ezitha okufanele zingibulali amaSomala ngikhuluma ngo1 million okwaNongoma njengoba ngikhuluma njengamanje ngeshwa labo bathi bakhuluma nomuntu wesinye isibongo engisihloniphayo wathi lo muntu noma ngathiwa ngiyithanda kangakanani imali kodwa ngeke ngikwazi ukudayisa ngaphakathi umthakathi okungenani hamba niyocinga umunye umuntu enze leyo nto ngoba mina ngikwazi ukuba ingxenye yaleyo nto.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon CV. I hope you are okay. So guys, I'll try to translate here and there for those who doesn't understand isiZulu. So what Phakela Mthakathi is saying here is that Somalian businessmen had a meeting in Newcastle. Newcastle is also in KZN. Those Somalians are having businesses in KwaNongoma, and Nongoma is where Phakela Mthakathi is coming from, his home. So they had that meeting to raise an amount of 1 million rand to pay izinkabi. Izinkabi are assassins to go and unalive uPhakela Mthakathi in Nongoma. So these Somalians contributed and raised 1 million rand and took it to KwaNongoma on Friday. So this South African guy who is working at Easy is the one who was supposed to arrange, or who arranged the inkabi for ama Somalians, the inkabi that was going to unalive uPhakela Mthakathi. Fortunately for uPhakela Mthakathi, this man, this inkabi, knows uPhakela Mthakathi. They respect each other. He is the one who told uPhakela Mthakathi ukuthi, oh, I never knew that they are speaking about you. It's better for me to lose this money than to unalive you. I can never do that to you. So that is what Phakela Mthakathi is saying here.
Ngisho ukuthi ke binsizwa zakithi nina nikhokhelwa abantu bokufika. Kuyekeni abantu bakhathele indlela izwe liyiyo. Bafuna abantu izwe lilunge. Abafuni yona imali abantu. Ngingomunye wabantu ongayifuni imali. Kunemali engiyinqabile ngeke ngiyibale ngoba abanye babantu ababekhona mhla nginikwa leyo mali ukhona naye la. Kunemali enkulukazi ebizongenza mina nezingane zami nomzukulu wami aphile. Ngayinqaba leyo mali ngenxa yeso. Baningi engibatshelile bayazi. Nezinsizwe engihamba nazo leyo nto ziyayazi. Akusifuni yona imali. Sifuna kulungiswe.
So Phakela Mthakathi is now warning those who are working for foreigners to unalive other South Africans that they must stop doing that. So he is telling them that even himself, he was offered a huge amount of money, but he refused because of the country. He is advising them to stop selling their country because of money. That's what he is saying, that he can never sell the country because of money. Even izinsizwa, these guys who are moving with him, who are marching with him, they know that he was offered a huge amount of money, but he refused to collect that money because he loves South Africa, he loves his own country. So these guys who are working for foreigners to unalive other South Africans must stop doing that. They must refuse to take that money. And then I was telling a friend a few weeks ago, if I was in Kabi, I was going to collect those monies they are throwing around and unalive them. How can you disrespect me to come to me to tell me to go and unalive my own brothers? It means udelela mina mos. I was going to collect that money, enjoy it. If he's making noise, I unalive him. That's all. And if this is in Kabi were honest and they love the country, they were going to do that. Because I know when as a South African, you can never go to Somali, ask Somalians to unalive their own brothers. Then they will take the money and do that. They can never do that. It's only us South Africans, because Sinoptuta. Never, they will never agree. They will never take that money. Instead, they will unalive you. Even for approaching them, even for you to have that audacity to approach them, to tell them to go and unalive their own brother. I don't think you can even try that in Somalia.
Laba bathi amakwerekwera siwayeke banamagate emzini yabo elani igede emzini wakho uma kukuthi wena uthi abantu bokufika sibayeke ubiyeleni umuzi wakho ngodongo olungaphezulu kwanali ipholi elingaphezulu kwanayo indlu uma kukuthi le police station ibiyelweni le police station uma kukuthi abantu bokufika leli iphoyisa elithi amakolekora wayekwe le police station ibiyelweni pho ibiyelweni police station why ama police station wonke ebiyiwe emangabe kukhona iphoyisa kuleyo police station elithi asiyeke abantu bokufika ngane zakithi sifuna izwe lakithi lilunga asifuni lutho mina nje angifuna imali angifuna imali nangu macingwane sengiphile naye ngaphezulu kwenyanga ezimbili siseduzana usuku nosuku sengimfundile abantu abaningi abazi umacingwane ukuthi uyindoda umacingwane kuyenzeka kumacingwane ngenxa yokuthanda ukudlala angeze isikhathi athi uyadlala abantu bengamqondi ukuthi uyadlala kodwa umacingwane mina sengimfundile mina ngingakhetha umacingwane kuleli lizwe njengoba lingaka mina njengoba abantu bengaka eSouth Africa ngingakhetha umacingwane ukuthi okungcono mangifa ngibulawa uyena ngoba sengimbonile ukuthi unjani sengiyifundile inhliziyo yakhe futhi mina ngikhohliswa mina njengoba dingisa la eHarding bengazi ukuthi ngizofica kunjani ukhumalo oyisecurity yami ngibekela umbhobho phansi ngithi akukhulume yena ngitshela ukuthi eHarding ngithe zoficana uzokutshela uhani mina ngifika sengazi ukuthi kwenze njani endaweni kodwa mina mangathiwa ngikhethe phakathi kwabantu eSouth Africa bonke kuhlanganiswe nabantu bakwaNdabandaba hayi ngoba ngithi abantu bakwaNdabandaba bethembekile bawumndeni wami kodwa mangathiwa ngikhethe phakathi kwabantu ngamkhetha mina Macingwane sengimbonile ukuthi umuntu uyayibhedela njengoba phela uhlanya lwethu soluthini phela soluthini kodwa ekugcineni masuhleli naye uyabona masuhleli naye sengikhuluma izinto ngempela zezwe sengikhuluma ngempilo sengikhuluma ngamagceke uMacingwane abancane kabi abantu abafana naye indaba ezethu ngiyabonga ngane ngamama ngiyabonga indaba ezethu ngiyabonga Macingwane ngiyabonga phakade ngiyakwazi sengufundile ngiyakwazi angisho ukuthi awungeke ubhede kusasa kodwa ngiyakwazi okwamanje ngiyakwazi wena wendlovu ngiyathokoza kakhulu
So here Phakela Mthakathi is telling the crowd about Ungizwe ukuthi Ungizwe is not what people think he is. Ngizwe is a very good man. He respects him. He further said it's not like his family is not trusted or honest, but he can choose Ungizwe over his own family. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.